We'll guide you through how to set up Printify Amazon integration so you can streamline your print-on-demand business. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and log into your Printify account. Once you're logged in, go to the top right corner and click on your profile icon to access the drop-down menu. Select the Manage My Stores option here. You'll see the option to connect a new sales channel. Click on Connect next to the Amazon logo. This will prompt you to log into your Amazon Seller Central account. Make sure you have an active professional seller account with Amazon, as this is required for integration. Once you're logged into Amazon, you'll be asked to authorize Printify to access your Amazon account. Carefully review the permissions and then click Authorize after authorization. You'll be redirected back to Printify, where you can now see Amazon listed as one of your connected stores. Next, it's important to configure your shipping and product information to match Amazon's requirements. Go to the My Products section in Printify, select the product you want to list on Amazon, and click Edit. Make sure to fill in all necessary product details such as title, description, and pricing. Double check that your products comply with Amazon's listing guidelines to avoid any issues. You can also set your shipping rates and choose your shipping providers. Once everything is set up, click Publish to list your product on Amazon. It may take a few minutes for your products to appear on Amazon's marketplace. Keep in mind that managing your inventory and fulfilling orders promptly is crucial for maintaining a good seller rating, and there you have it. Your Printify and Amazon accounts are now integrated, allowing you to reach millions of potential customers. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.